Want to wish someone a happy birthday in Italian? Well, here are 3 simple phrases to use, plus the lyrics to sing happy birthday in Italian. Andiamo! Italians love to celebrate birthdays, anniversaries, and festivities, and all other special events. But it can be hard to know what expressions of well wishes to say and when to say them. If you're not careful, you could end up saying the wrong thing. More on that later. We'll also take a look at how to wish someone a happy birthday in Italian, both in person and if you're writing a card, or a text message, plus how Italians actually celebrate, and also one strange Italian birthday tradition that you should know. To help you practice everything you're going to learn in this lesson, make sure you download your free PDF cheat sheet, which I've linked to in the description below. How do you say happy birthday in Italian? Well, there are a few ways you can wish someone a happy birthday in Italian, from the more traditional phrases to the more creative and colloquial ones. Let's start with the most common. The most common way to say happy birthday in Italian is
Buon compleanno.
Buon compleanno. Buon compleanno. This is certainly the most common way to say happy birthday in Italian. Note how the adjective buono generally means good, but here it takes the meaning of happy. It is super common to find buono in fixed phrases expressing some kind of wish. Buon Natale, Merry Christmas, or Buon Anno, Happy New Year. Here are some other expressions of well wishes that use buono.
Buona giornata.
Have a good day.
Buona serata.
Have a good evening.
Buon viaggio.
Have a good trip.
Buona domenica.
Happy Sunday.
Buon divertimento.
Have fun.
Buon onomastico.
Happy Name Day.
Buon anniversario.
Happy Anniversary. Back to our buon compleanno. We can use this expression on its own, or you can add terms of endearment and address it to someone specific, mentioning your relationship to them. For example,
Buon compleanno, caro. Buon compleanno, cara.
Happy birthday, dear.
Buon compleanno, amico mio. Buon compleanno, amica mia.
Happy birthday, my friend.
Buon compleanno, bella.
Happy birthday, beautiful. This one is typically just for women.
Buon compleanno, tesoro.
Happy birthday, sweetheart.
Buon compleanno, sorellina.
Happy birthday, little sister.
Buon compleanno, zio.
Happy birthday, uncle. Or you can make this wish more personal by mentioning the age someone is turning, especially if it's an important milestone worth celebrating. For example,
Buon 18° compleanno.
Happy 18th birthday.
Buon 30° compleanno.
Happy 30th birthday.
Buon 50° compleanno.
Happy 50th birthday. Another common way to wish someone a happy birthday in Italian is by using the word auguri. Auguri, which literally means wishes. Quite often, people use the expression
Tanti auguri.
Many wishes to say happy birthday in a slightly more emphatic way, or they combine it with buon compleanno to form
Tanti auguri di buon compleanno.
Many wishes for your birthday.
Tantissimi auguri.
Lots of best wishes.
Auguri di cuore.
Heartfelt wishes.
Tanti auguri dal profondo del cuore.
Happy birthday from the bottom of my heart. Another popular informal expression is
Auguroni.
Auguroni, big wishes, which is formed by adding the augmentative suffix oni to the end of auguri. The phrase tanti auguri is a bit more versatile than buon compleanno. In fact, it is not only used on birthdays, but also on other special occasions, such as festivities, holidays, anniversaries, or getting a promotion or graduating. The list is endless. Here are some examples.
Tanti auguri per la festa della mamma.
Happy Mother's Day.
Tanti auguri di buona Pasqua.
Happy Easter.
Tanti auguri per il tuo traguardo.
Congratulations on your achievement.
Avete appena avuto un bambino. Auguri.
You just had a baby? Congratulations. If you're thinking of writing a birthday card in Italian, there are several expressions you can use besides the traditional auguri and buon compleanno. One of these are
100 di questi giorni.
100 di questi giorni, many happy returns. Here's to many more. This literally means 100 of these days, meaning that you wish for the person to have 100 more birthdays. This expression is not as popular among younger generations though, as it sounds a bit old-fashioned. Let's take a look at some other common ways to wish someone a happy birthday in Italian. Another option is to use the verb
Augurare.
literally to wish. Here are a few examples you may find inspiring when writing a birthday card in Italian.
Ti auguro una giornata piena di gioia e spensieratezza.
I wish you a day full of joy and lightheartedness.
Ti auguro di passare una splendida giornata in compagnia dei tuoi cari.
I wish you a wonderful day in the company of your loved ones.
Per il tuo compleanno ti auguro il meglio.
For your birthday, I wish you all the best.
Spero che tutti i tuoi desideri si avverino.
I hope all your wishes come true. So when do you wish someone a happy birthday in Italy? Well, it's not as straightforward as you might think. Italians are quite superstitious. They worry when they see a black cat crossing the street. They touch iron, not wood, to ward off evil spirits. And they like to wear red and eat lentils on New Year's Eve to attract good luck and money for the coming year. Learn more about these superstitions here. If you're wondering, what does all this have to do with birthdays? Well, you should know that Italians have certain rules about when to wish someone a happy birthday too. It is only acceptable to send messages to the birthday boy or girl starting from midnight on their birthday, or you can send it to them after the fact. For example, you can say,
Tanti auguri in ritardo.
Happy belated birthday. Attenzione! One thing you should never do is wish someone a happy birthday before their actual birthday. Seriously, not even a day before. Not only is saying happy birthday in advance considered rude, it is also believed to bring bad luck. I learned this one the hard way. My birthday is 2 days after Christmas, so I wanted to celebrate before everyone went home for the Christmas holidays. They were shocked. They didn't know what to do. Like, Michelle, what are you doing? You can't celebrate before your actual birthday. How do you ask someone about their age in Italian? If you want to talk about your age and the day you were born and ask others about their birthdays, here are a few questions and expressions you can use.
Quanti anni hai?
How old are you? Literally, how many years do you have? To which the person will respond,
Ho 25 anni.
I am 25 years old. Literally, I have 25 years. Notice in Italian that we don't say that we are certain years, but rather we have a certain amount of years. On the person's birthday, you can ask them,
Quanti anni compi oggi?
How old are you today? Literally, how old do you turn today? Here, the verb
Compiere.
means to turn a certain age. The answer to this question will be,
Compio 30 anni.
I am turning 30. Here are a few more questions you can ask to learn about someone's date of birth and the appropriate answers.
Quando sei nato? Quando sei nata?
When were you born? Informal.
Quando è nato? Quando è nata?
When were you born? Formal.
Sono nato il 14 agosto 1980. Sono nata il 14 agosto 1980.
I was born on the 14th, 1980.
Di che anno sei? Di che anno è?
In which year were you born? Literally, what year are you of?
Sono del 92.
I was born in 1992. Literally, I'm of 92.
Quando è il tuo compleanno? Quando è il suo compleanno?
When is your birthday?
Il 13 ottobre.
October the 13th. If you want to compliment someone on how good they look for their age, or say that they look younger than they actually are, here are a few compliments you can use.
Complimenti, sembri più giovane. Complimenti, sembra più giovane.
Congratulations, you look younger.
Complimenti, li porti bene. Complimenti, li porta bene.
Congratulations, you look pretty good. Literally, you carry them, meaning the years, well.
Complimenti, non li dimostri. Complimenti, non li dimostra.
Congratulations, you don't look it. Literally, you don't show them, meaning you don't show the years. Or jokingly, you can say,
Sembri più vecchio. Sembri più vecchia.
You look older, but use this at your own risk. And it gets to that time of that evening when you have to sing happy birthday. But how do you do it? Curious to learn the lyrics for the happy birthday song in Italian? Using the same melody as the English version, the lyrics change to many wishes to you. Tanti auguri a te. Listen to this.
Tanti auguri a te. Tanti auguri a te. Tanti auguri a Maria. Tanti auguri a te.
Now here are 3 important Italian birthday traditions you should know. Number 1, the cake and the celebrations. Birthdays around the world are celebrated in different ways. But one thing all birthdays have in common is without a doubt the cake. In Italy, some people choose to go out with their friends or family for drinks or to eat out at a nice restaurant, which normally prepares the cake for the occasion. Others simply choose to stay at home and cook and bake their own cake and order it from their favorite pasticceria, a patisserie. One thing that might surprise you though is that if it's your birthday, you have to pay the bill for all food and drinks. You even have to make your own cake and bring it to the restaurant too. This isn't the responsibility of your guests. I learned this one the hard way. And just like in many other cultures, the birthday boy or girl has to blow out the candles and make a wish, but you need to keep it a secret so you don't jinx it. Number 2, giving presents. When guests are invited to a birthday party in Italy, they normally bring un regalo, a present. Another birthday tradition in Italy is to open presents in front of everyone and not in private, as this would be considered rude. It is also common practice for the guests to write a birthday card that goes with the present, with a few words to wish the birthday boy or girl a happy birthday, or something more personal if it's a significant friendship. It is not unusual to ask your Italian friends what gift they would like to receive for their birthday. Here are a few ways that you can ask them.
Che regalo vuoi?
What present do you want?
Cosa vuoi per il tuo compleanno?
What do you want for your birthday? Number 3, the strange ear-pulling traditions. Another common and strange Italian tradition is the one of tirare le orecchie, literally ear-pulling, which involves gently pulling the earlobe as many times as the number of years one turns, while at the same time counting out loud until reaching the person's age. It should be mentioned though that this is usually done with children or very close family members and friends, not mere acquaintances, and that people don't stop doing it just because they become too old. Another day on the Italian calendar that's just as important to celebrate as your birthday is your name day, also known as Saint's Day. A name day is a Catholic day dating back to the Middle Ages. On this day, you celebrate your baptismal name, that is, the saint of the day in the liturgical calendar. This is typically a biblical character or another saint. For example, my name is Michele, so my onomastico, name day, is celebrated on the 29th of September, the day of the Archangel St. Michael. For some Italians, celebrating your name day is even more important than your birthday, and you'll also receive gifts. In Italy, especially in the south, there is a strong religious faith to the point that a baby's name is often chosen to thank a particular saint or to honor the saint whose name appeared on the calendar on the day of his or her birth. In Italian families, it's not unusual to find several relatives with the same name, often named after their grandparents, like I was. A name day is an occasion to get together with family and celebrate. A cake is usually prepared for the event, and the person celebrating receives happy name day wishes, such as
Buon onomastico.
Happy Name Day,
Tanti auguri.
many or best wishes. To keep practicing what you've learned in this lesson, make sure you download your free PDF cheat sheet. The link is in the description below. Enjoyed this lesson? Got a trip coming up or want to communicate with your Italian partner or relatives in Italian? Now you can learn Italian with my unique 80-20 method. Just visit intrepiditalian.com where you'll find my popular online self-paced video courses used by thousands of students around the world. You can also click on the link in the description below. Since an essential part of celebrating birthdays is making a toast, make sure you brush up on how to say cheers in Italian by watching this video here. In the meantime, you can master how to conjugate verbs by watching this video here. A presto! Ciao!